Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Andi Nurafif Asdam. Here I will share what I have here, namely Marco said he is in Austin, Texas. This is Texan translation, which is a small family business that translates mostly legal documents, and I met Virginia at a conference several years ago in San Antonio, where I was presenting on guns and knives and other firearms terminology for court interpreters, and Virginia, I believe, was presenting on note-taking. This topic looks familiar, and I remember thinking she is so good at taking notes. I'm like 1% of the way there. My notes are just so hard to read and make sense of. I've got a lot to learn, and so I start teaching court interpreting at University of Texas and use her videos for my students in the note-taking class. We watch the video and then practice some of the basic symbols and techniques for taking notes quickly and efficiently, and then going back and understanding your notes afterwards when you are interpreting, which is harder for me. And so I was so happy that she agreed to volunteer her time today for this webinar, and we did a little survey on our Facebook group that we're both on, which has become a Texas court interpreter, and note-taking was the most popular topic, and so that's why she prepared this lesson. I just want to make a couple of administrative comments. If you have a certification or license that requires ongoing, and you can put in a request yourself without documentation, you are welcome to count this for depending on what kind of interpreter you are and where you are, but we want to be producing certificates of attendance to confirm that just because it's a free presentation, and that takes a lot of paperwork to schedule those and set it up with each certifying authority. If you have questions, please jot them down on your notes, because everyone's practicing note-taking today, and then at the end we will have a question and answer time, and you can put your question in chat, and Virginia will get to those as time allows. This video is being recorded and will be put on YouTube at the end, and I will put up the link for my YouTube channel. So you can find that finally our charity, I like to sponsor a different charity for some of this presentation and suggest that you make a donation if you find this training useful and you'd like to show your appreciation. Then the charity that I'm endorsing today is Asian Family Support Service of Austin, and there's a link in the chat here, and it will also be going out in an email, and they provide a lot of interpretation and legal service to victims of domestic violence and trafficking and so forth in 29 languages all around Central Texas. So that would be a good place to make a small donation. If everybody here donate to $5, it would make a hard difference for somebody who's in crisis and immigrant to the United States. And so in the chat you will see Virginia's website for interpretation and the donation website, and then finally my YouTube channel where you can subscribe and it will give you a notification when this video and other videos like it pop up and are posted and ready to view. So that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.